Hello people, this is Trupti Shegale here to deal with a few points on how to remember the remedies of materia medica for a longer period of time. To start with, here's our point number 1. First, know the sphere of action and the pathogenesis of the remedy. Now, why is it important? Sphere of action tells us what part of our body does the remedy act on, and pathogenesis tells us what does the remedy do acting on that part. So basically it helps us know more about the remedy and makes it easier for us to remember the remedy. Point number 2. Remember the ailments from of the remedy. Now there are a few points in ailments from as well. Firstly, know what the ailments from is. Like for example, let us take ailments from vaccination. This is the first point. Now you know that there is ailments from vaccination in that particular remedy. Now know what actually happens when the person is exposed to that particular cause. Like for example, now we have seen that there is ailments from vaccination in a few remedies. We have silicea, we have thuja. Both of these have ailments from vaccination. Now, how do we differentiate between these two? Now, in thuja, there is diarrhea after having vaccination. Whereas in silicea, the person develops boils or eruption after vaccination. See, right here itself, we got two different points to differentiate between the remedies. Hence, a confusion goes away all of a sudden, right? Coming to the third point. Know one thing, that when you know the sphere of action, pathogenesis and ailments from, half of your remedy gets done here itself. You can write your guiding symptoms and your particulars based on these things itself. Now there's one more part that remains in order to remember the remedy. The third point that comes to play is the unique symptom or the PQRS symptom. Now these symptoms help us know or help us separate the remedy from all other remedies. Now here you have to remember a few points about the particular remedy. Like for example, in silicea we have headache better by urination. Now in baryta we know that there is stasis in mental sphere and in physical sphere as well. In the similar manner, we can remember a few rare things about those remedies and hence remember the remedy for a longer period of time. Now this point also considers your mental sphere as well. Hence it helps you to deal with the remedy in a better manner and to remember it for a longer period of time. Nextly, in case you are someone who is well versed with materia medica, then you can opt for the miasmatic background of the remedy as well. When you know the miasmatic background of the remedy, you can put it in your own words and you can understand the remedy better. This will help you to remember a remedy for a longer period of time without by-hearting it. Last but not the least, remember that materia medica is not just for fetching good marks or getting good grades. Materia medica is not for exams, it's for life. It helps us bring out the best in homeopathy, helps us bring smile to thousands of helpless faces. So remember, materia medica is not for exams, materia medica is for life. I hope with these points you will remember the remedy for a longer period of time and bring about changes in people's life. Follow for more.